We're all in this together, the support system that made my success possible. Feeling stuck? Leads aren't coming in like they should. Sales feel like unpredictable. Not sure what's actually working. What if you could plug into a system that brings in leads, sales, and growth, all while working just 2 hours a day? Welcome to the Legacy Builder program. Most people waste months creating content and then attract buyers, doesn't attract buyers. The real key, content that pulls in ready to buy leads on autopilot. With my system, you'll get proven TikTok ads and videos you can deploy, and you can use the YouTube strategy, which is driving high quality traffic, no dancing required. A done for you email swipes, and you can also access many lead capture pages systems that converts traffic into cash. A streamlined 2 hour workday so you can stop spinning your wheels and start making consistent sales. The top questions I get: how do I attract leads effortlessly? How do you make sales every day, even when you're offline? How do you create digital products without being a tech wizard? I'm revealing it all in my digital mastery program. So here's what you'll get: TikTok Traffic Accelerator Video World, valued at $2,000. Use my viral TikTok strategies to drive clicks and sales without ever filming a video. Done fee email follow up sequence, valued at $500. Professionally written follow up emails that close sales on autopilot. High converting lead capture page pack, valued at $600. Skip the hassle and plug into pre built high converting pages that turns visitors into buyers. Bonus strategy blueprint, $500 value. Stand out from the crowd with a custom bonus offers that builds trust, boosts conversions. YouTube Wealth Blueprint. Learn how to turn YouTube into a six-figure income stream even as a beginner. But here's what makes this different. I'm not handing you a guide and wishing you luck. I'll personally walk you through it one on one so you have everything to launch and scale fast. No fluff, no guesswork, just results. Access my number one opportunity below. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Imagine if you could make a full time income following a 2 hour workday. Work from anywhere in the world from your phone. Have more freedom and time to spend doing the things you love. Work less and have more. Travel the world while making passive income. Change many people's lives all around the world with less work and effort. My name is Brian Shabazz Soraya. Not too long ago, I was a broke warehouse, barely making ends meet. I was stuck pinching pennies. I wanted true freedom. I did that massive amount of trial and error and finally discovered something that works for anyone. Now And now I teach you how to create an automated business without any experience. Even if, and now I want to teach you how to create an automated business without any experience, even if you don't have a niche or a product yet, don't have tech skills, don't have a following yet, don't have an email list yet. Trust me, I couldn't believe in myself. Hey, I want to talk to those who of you are tired of the hustle. You're tired of working hard, maybe posting on social media all day, trying to get people to notice your business, but you're not seeing results you want. You feel like you're putting in all the effort for pennies and it's burning you out. I've been there for years. I was grinding and I felt like I was running into a place. I was promoting low cost products, getting small commissions, and constantly chasing the next sale. It was exhausting. Then I discovered a different way. I found a program that completely changed my perspective on making money online. Instead of focusing on quantity and small commissions, it's about quality. This program is called the Legacy Builder Program. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's like a magic button, but I will tell you it completely shifted my focus from trying to make 100 small sales to making just one high impact referral. Imagine what your life would look like if a single referral could earn you $900 commission. It completely changes the game. Your goal is no longer to get thousands of people to buy a $10 product. Your goal is to help a few people find a real solution that changes their life. That's the kind of business I'm building, and that's the kind of business I want to help you build. If you're tired of the grind and I want to make an impact with high value referrals, I put together some resources for you. Click the link below about how the Legacy Builder program works. I'll show you exactly how the system is designed to create sustainable high income business without burnout. Click the link below the video in the description to get started making those $900 commission payments. Let's go. Like and subscribe. Let's go, yo.